In a world where precision meets productivity, Sunter Machinery leads the filling revolution. From China to global industries, we engineer excellence for every fluid challenge, liquids, pastes, powders, and more. With 20 years of expertise, Sunter specializes in complete filling lines for the food, pharmaceutical, cosmetic, and chemical industries. With advanced core technologies, we meet a wide range of production needs, from low-viscosity liquids to highly viscous materials. As a certified high-tech enterprise, we hold 16 patents and bring together rich industry experience with a dedicated technical team. We lead with innovation and integrity, trusted by over 2,000 clients worldwide. Our equipment is highly automated and flexible, easily adapting to different bottle types, filling volumes, and complex workflows with precision and efficiency. We deliver one-stop production ecosystems, from bottle sterilization to robotic palletizing, all installed, trained, and backed by our 72-hour global response teams. Wherever substance meets container, Sunter delivers certainty. Let's fill your future together.